Welcome back to Unbox.
We got boxes.
We have boxes. They're from Grainger, obviously. Thank you, Grainger.
Okay.
I'm not going to reveal it just yet. I can see what it is.
I don't know what I was expecting. I don't think I had anything in particular.
Show them what they've won, Allison.
Let's see what they've won. Ooh. Well.
Oh, there's a zip tie on those.
So here's my bangles.
These are earrings.
Uh-huh.
She's wearing them as bracelets. They actually go on your ears. And this is an elbow guard.
Like a giant macaroni noodle.
There's also this. Why are we building an electronic Tin Man is the question you're probably asking yourself. Well, I'll tell you why. So here's the deal. This is ducting. It's Nordfab ducting. Nordfab ducting clips together with those bangles, and then it clips apart. It goes together really nicely. It's good for ventilating and dust collecting. It's a series of tubes is what it is. And I'm very excited. I want to say thanks to Sean Bussey for tipping me to the most beautiful, wonderful ducting, and he'll be here to help me install it as he promised. Better, Sean.
Man of his word.
Yeah, what else? Oh wait, hold on. It wasn't a box, but look. Imagine you're a piece of dust. You are a piece of dust. You're going down through a tube. Goodbye. Now you're collected. All right, we'll see you next time on Unbox. Bye.
Bye.